Record. Okay, hello guys. Today I'll be teaching 1.5 measuring and constructing angles. So naming angles. An angle is a set of points consisting of two different rays that have the same endpoint called the vertex. The rays are the sides of the angle. You can name an angle in several different ways. Use its vertex, such as angle A right here, and use a point on each ray and the vertex, such as angle BAC or angle CAB. Use a number such as angle 1. The region that contains all the points between the sides of the angle is the interior of the angle. The region that contains all the points outside the angle is the exterior of the angle. So for this example, you can call this angle like angle Q or angle PQR or angle RQP. Postulate 1.3, protractor process. Consider OB and a point A on one side of the OB. The rays of the form ray OA can be matched 1-to-1 with the real numbers from 0 to 180. The measure of angle AOB, which can be written as measure of angle AOB, is equal to the absolute value of the difference between the real numbers matched with ray OA and ray OB on a protractor. Core concept. There are different types of angle, and one is acute angle, where it measures greater than 0 degrees and less than 90 degrees. And there's a right angle, which measures 90 degrees, and an obtuse angle, which measures greater than 90 degrees and less than 180. And the straight angle measures 180 degrees. All right, so postulate 1.4. Angle addition postulate. If P is in the interior of angle RST, then the measure of angle RST is equal to the sum of the measures of angle RSP and angle PST. If P is the interior of angle RST, then measure of angle RST is equal to measure of angle RSP plus measure of angle PST. So bisecting angles. An angle bisector is a ray that divides an angle into two angles that are congruent in the figure. Angle YW bisects angle XYZ, so angle XYW is congruent to angle ZYW. All right, so exercises. In exercises 3 to 6, write 3 names for the angle. So first way for number 3, you can just name it angle B. Second way, angle ABC, or the opposite, angle CBA. Again, for number 4, you can just name it angle G or angle FGH or angle HGF. And for number 5, you can just name it angle 1, because that's right here, or angle JKL, or angle LKJ. Again, for number 6, you can just name it angle 8, or angle QRS, or angle SRQ. Next example, in exercises 9 to 12, find the angle measures and classify the angle. All right, so for angle ALC, it's between 150 to 180, so that will be 30. And 30 degree is greater than 0 degrees, but less than 90 degrees, so it's an acute angle. And for number 10, angle BOD is right here. And that's between 115 and 180. So that'll be 65 degrees. And that's still a acute angle. For measure of angle COD, it's this part. And then that's between 150 and 115. So that's actually between 150 and 75. So that's 85 degrees. And that's still acute. And then angle EOD, so right here, that's 25 degrees because it's between 115 and 140. And that's still acute. In exercises 21 through 24, find the indicated angle measure. So angle ABC is 37 plus 21, which is 58 degrees. And for measure of angle LMN, that would just be 85 plus 23, which is equal to 108. So 108 degrees. And then for this, you have to find for you have to solve for x. So you know that 13x plus 10x plus 21 is equal to 90 degrees because it has the little rectangle thing right here. So that's 23x plus 21 is equal to 9, and 23x is equal to 69 if you subtract 21 on both sides. And if you divide 23 on both sides, you get x equals 3. All right, next, in exercise 37 to 40, ray BD bisects angle ABC. Find measure of angle AVD, measure of angle CBD, and measure of angle ABC. Since it's bisecting, you know that for number 37, 6x plus 14 is equal to 13, or 3x plus 29. If you subtract 3x on both sides, you get 3x plus 14 is equal to 29. And if you subtract 14 on both sides, you get 3x is equal to 15. And if you divide by 3 on both sides, you get x equals to 5. And you have to find measure of angle ABD. So you just plug in. So measure of angle ABD is just 6 times 5, which is 30, plus 14 is 44. And for measure of angle CBD, you just plug in 5 again for x. So 15 plus 29 is 44. And then total measure of angle ABC. So you add 44 and 44 together, which gives you 88. Okay, so number 40. Again, ray BD bisects the angle ABC. So 8x plus 35 is equal to 11x plus 23. Subtract 8x on both sides and get 35 is equal to 3x plus 23. And 3x is equal to 12, and x equals to 4. So in order to find angle ABD, you again plug in 4 for x. So 8 times 4 is 32, and 32 plus 35 is equal to 67. And you know that angle ABD and angle DBC is same, so this is again 67. So and then to find angle ABC, you have to add 67 and 67 together, which should get you 134. And that's it. Thank you for watching.